Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to adjust volume and mute audio in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're fine-tuning dialogue levels or balancing background music, knowing how to control your audio precisely is essential for creating professional quality videos. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your Davinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, you'll see the main interface with several tabs along the bottom of your screen. Look for the one labeled Edit and click on it. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll have full access to your timeline and all the tools you need to manipulate your audio tracks. Now here's where it gets interesting. There are actually two different methods you can use to adjust volume and mute your audio in Davinci Resolve, and I'll walk you through both of them so you can choose whichever feels more natural to you. Let's start with the first method, which is incredibly quick and intuitive. Click on the audio clip in your timeline that you want to adjust. Once it's selected, hover your mouse directly over the waveform displayed on that clip. You'll notice something happen right away. Your cursor will change shape, indicating that you're now able to manipulate the volume directly. From here, you can drag the waveform line upwards to increase the volume or drag it downwards to decrease it. This method gives you immediate visual feedback since you can literally see the waveform getting larger or smaller as you adjust. If you want to completely mute the audio, simply drag the line all the way down. Now let's look at the second method, which offers a bit more precision and numerical control. Click on your audio clip again to select it. This time, look over to the top right corner of your interface and you'll see a panel labeled Inspector. Click on Inspector to open it up. This panel gives you detailed control over various properties of your selected clip. Scroll through the options until you find the one labeled Volume. Right next to it, you'll see a slider that you can adjust to increase or decrease the audio level. This method is especially useful when you need exact volume values or want to match levels across multiple clips. If you want to mute the audio using this method, simply adjust the slider all the way down until it reads -100. That effectively silences the clip completely. And that's it. You now have two reliable ways to control audio levels in Davinci Resolve, whether you prefer the quick visual approach of dragging the waveform or the precise numerical control offered by the Inspector panel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.